Hi everyone, my name is Peter and I'm a co-founder of Hot Labs. And over the past 4 years, we developed a lot of projects for Near ecosystem. For the last year, we've been significantly shifting our focus to build product on top of the Near Intents. As you might know, Near Intents is a unique technology which allows you to build a cryptocurrency product which supports any token from any chain once with one frontend, and then serve users and coins and assets from all different chains. We in Hot Labs have been with Near Intents from the day zero. The Near Intents use Hot Bridge. We developed the Hotkit and Hot Connect, which is the most popular tool to build on top of Near Intents. Also, over last year, we built the 3 biggest projects every ecosystem needs, which is a decentralized exchange, NFT marketplace, and wallet on top of Near Intents. Today, I want to briefly talk to you about the product we have right now existing over Near Intents, tell you why we're building it and how Near Intents can help us to build products so good, and maybe engage you to also try Near Intents and build your products there. We're going to scroll today. OK, so the whole wallet is, that's how we started. Our main project was a whole wallet. Right now we have a mobile, web, and Chrome extension. And everything in the whole wallet powered by Near Intents. The file drops, swaps, cross-chain bridges, the social features, the airdrop, everything that's happening as a whole powered by Near Intents. We spend zero money for all transactions people do internally. We have monthly more than 1 million people use it. And this is a great example how we can get much better projects which will onboard people from all around the ecosystem having just one technology under the hood. As you know, Near Intents work as our infrastructure layer, which means any project which build on Near Intents actually can serve all tokens and ecosystem on the background. If you want to work with specific token from, for example, BNB chain, you can deposit it to Near with Hot Bridge, and then you can send Near Intents for all your apps. The Near Intents also abstract front end. If you want to control your assets on Near Intents, you can use EVM wallets, Stone wallets, Stellar wallets, MetaMask, Solana wallets, any of them. And that allows you to make up once and then make the interface where you can connect your Solana, Tron, or Near wallet and use your app. This is extremely new experience because before, even if you do chain abstracted application, you need to special login or Google or something else, and you have to move people from the original wallet. Now you don't have to do it. We also have Hot Protocol powered by many features on Near Intents, such as cross-chain bridge. The core product, if you want to build with Near Intents, something like Hot Wallet or other product is Hot Connect or Wallet Selector. This is a unique framework which allows you to, in one line of code, start adopt users from all ecosystem and all different wallets. You can make extremely simple code where you can say, hi, I want users to deposit USDC on my smart contract with a specific callback. The Hot Connect will manage everything for you. It will pop up to user his wallet, bridge assets instantly and seamlessly to the Near Intents, and then forward it to your smart contract. Developing project was never been so easy as it's now with Hot Connect and Near Intents. It's already live on a few front ends, and if you want to build one, please connect. We're happy to help you. Now I'm going to show you a couple examples what you can build and what we have built on Near Intents over the past years. The first project is a Hotcraft. It's an NFT marketplace built on top of Near Intents where you can buy and sell NFTs from all ecosystems around the world. This is the biggest NFT marketplace for Near. This is a big NFT marketplace for the Ton ecosystem, and we're going to expand to the other ecosystem. So if your user have his NFT on his Phantom wallet, he can deposit it and sell it to Near, and then withdraw it to all other chains, which is extremely nice experience, especially for if you wanna build product which will serve some unique or like hard or specific ecosystem like Ton. You don't want to do smart contracts on fancy. You can build it once on Near Intents. If you already have your product, which would have these features of NFT, you don't need to connect your NFT to all other local marketplaces of your users. You can list it on Hotcraft, and your user, whatever ecosystem he came from, will be able to buy, sell, trade, or stake your NFT on Hotcraft. This is a Hotmint, which is exactly the same Hotcraft engine, but for Ton. We just changed a few colors, and we have a new product for new ecosystem with a new revenue stream. That's the power of Near Intents. As you can see, we have a EVM, Solana, Ton traders on the same platform, which connect to their native tokens, their native wallet, and trade NFT across all the ecosystem. And this is all one agent, one code, one backend, one smart contract for NFT trades, all ecosystem supported. Another project built on top of Near Intent is a wallet market. This is a place where you can host your contest for all people around the ecosystems. You can give them points, you can distribute them tokens. If someone made anything in your Ton ecosystem and won 5 cents in meme coin token, you probably would not send it on Ton native chain. You can go to a hot wallet market, distribute there to all your participants, spending zero money for gas, and send Near Intents, and later they can connect their Ton wallet and get these points. It's a very powerful platform if you want to serve contests for a massive amount of users. We also have our community with 1.5 million users who follow the wallet market social media. So if you build anything, you can scale your partner and distribute it across millions of users, which will powered by Near Intent and hot wallet market. Of course, we don't say about the hot breach, because everything what works on Near Intents, every token from Solana, from Stellar, from Ton, from EVM chains, needs to be deposited on Near Intents and needs to be claimed back. That's when you touch hot breach. We have a very simple SDK. We support more than 15 chains. If you build anything and you need your ecosystem to be onboarded to Near Intents, you can come to Hot. Hot will help you to roll up the breach for your ecosystem and make all your users be able to use projects on Near Intents. For example, recently we made a breach on Gonka, and now we control 95% of the trade volume of this Gonka blockchain, just because we made a breach and onboarded them to existing high-quality projects on top of Near Intents. Near Intents also allow us to do everything gas-free. If it's on Near Intents, we sponsor everything. We give you a grant for up to 100,000 transactions monthly, which you can use with Hot Relayer. Or if your users would need to use any other local chains, we subsidize all transactions there, so users would never feel blockchain friction anymore if you develop your project on Near Intents. The last but not the least project is a Hot Exchange. We have a full decentralized exchange front end built on top of Near Intents, where if you do any tokens on any blockchain, if you do an app who will issue tokens or who will work with tokens, you can list it for free on Hot Exchange and make it available for users from all ecosystems around the world, join there and buy it. Now you don't have to decide you want to be Solana project or Ton project. You can be Hot project. And that's how you can serve all users around all our ecosystem with their native wallet, with DEX, and which has order book, swap interface, and which does not require any minimal commitment to be listed. That's projects which built on Near Intents by Hot team over last year. And you can see how powerful this technology can be, and you can see how much opportunity you have. Now we have whole full worked ecosystem on Near Intents. So if you build any consumer projects, any app, any idea, you have everything you need, starting from connector developers tools, ending to the platform where you can list your token on NFT. So let's build on Near Intents. Thank you.